Hey guys, today we're trying some new Wish beauty gadgets and fun little bits and pieces. Fake teeth, fake piercings, grills, pore cleaners, and some makeup gadgets as well, so stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna try the suit for cleaning skin pore cleaner. I've been dying to try one of these. I'm sure you guys have seen these on, like, I don't know, Facebook, eBay, Wish, let me just see how much this costs. Do I need batteries for this? There's so many different kinds on Wish. You can get them for around $7 to $17. Obviously, just check the shipping pricing because the shipping pricing varies from product to product. But for example, this one here, $7, and the shipping cost $8, so about $15 all up. Oh yeah, I need one AA battery, not include. It says a suit for cleaning skin. Suck the comedones, cutin, sebum, and keep the skin smooth and refreshing. Here it all is. So yeah, it says that you can use the T suction for massage and shape the face. And the oval suction cap is used for clean the pores. I can't figure out how to get this off. Like, the battery goes in here, but like, did I break it? Okay. Oh! Do you hear that? That's how it looks. I don't really understand what they mean about oval side and T side. It looks like you can only turn it on. Oh wait. It says off is like up here. And if you pull it off, the battery. So it's like not really got an on or off. It's like either open or like on. Because you can't shut it. That's weird. Oh, okay, so the T suction cup is if you rotate this, so you can like take it off and there's like a little like other side, so you just switch it around. So I'm gonna use the oval side, which is meant to be for cleaning your pores. So let's do a quick zoom in and I'll show you guys what my pores look like currently. I'm mostly gonna do around my nose, and I also want to try around my chin as well. So here's the before, and you can see a little bit of gunk down here. It's not as bad as it normally is, so it'll be interesting to see what it can pull out. Not very strong. I feel like it's so weak. It's getting nothing. You know what? I actually bought two. Don't ask why. I think I bought one and then forgot and then bought another one and then forgot and two arrived. I don't know. Don't even talk to me about it. Okay, the other one I've got is called Spot Cleaner. So if you want to search Wish, Spot Cleaner is what you should search for. This one looks, wait, it's the same. It just came packaged different. So, but anyway, let's see if it actually performs differently. Oh. That one sounds louder. Is it just me? No consistency whatsoever. Oh. That one's so much stronger. I can't hold this one on either. Like, I'm like trying to do it with my thumb. Oh god. Kind of feels nice on my chin, but I can't really see anything like coming out in here. There's definitely, why does it only turn on? I'm like shaking it, it turns itself. Just shush. You can see there's like a few little specks in there, hopefully. So it did suck something out. Not a lot, but I mean, it did. And it is kind of satisfying, but it's just like, oh, this is terrible quality. I'm sure if you bought like a good one off a good website, maybe it would work better. This one for some reason works way better than the one that came in this packaging. I bought them from two different pages, obviously. So I'm not even sure how you guys are supposed to ensure that you buy a good one. Do you know what I mean? Like, that's kind of weird. They're branded as the same thing, but this one's so much more powerful than the first one. God knows what to do there. I guess it's just a risk. So does it work? Slightly. Am I gonna continue using it? I look like I've just given myself pash rash. Oh my god. No, I don't think I'll continue to use it because it's not effective enough. I feel like pore strips are better, which I do actually have some pore strips off Wish that I'm going to use in my next Wish video. But wow, I don't know. It looks the same, so probably not even worth doing a side-by-side photo. Maybe it's just my one. Like I said, This battery needs to come out of here because this is really annoying me. These are very inconsistent. I would love to try another brand that's actually like a trusted brand or something to see what it's like. Have you guys ever tried this? What did you think? I just feel like that was underwhelming. I feel like it got like 2 specks of dirt out and that's about it. Alright, I just went and washed my face and moisturized again. Now we're gonna try a lip mask. This goes for $4.50 with $6 shipping. So expensive, to be honest. For one. So this is a collagen nourishing moisturizing lip mask and just looks really funny. You might have seen these from brands in the past. This is the one I got. It's not even that cheap, so I don't know why I bothered. Oh look, this one's cheaper. This one's only $3 with $3 shipping, so definitely shop around. People have rated it real high, so let's try it out. Can't read the instructions because they are not in English, and I am boring and only know English. I see. Okay, it says 10 to 15 on here. Whoa, it's tipping everywhere. It's very liquidy. So I'm assuming you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. It's got an expiry date, which is quite good. Makes me feel a little bit more like trustful. Is trustful a word? I don't think so. So you open it up and you pull it out and it's like this little jelly mask. It looks quite cool. It's just like a sheer pink color. So I'm gonna pop this on and set my phone for 10 to 15 minutes. Let me just zoom you in on my lips quickly. They feel quite dry at the moment, so I'll be able to tell you if they feel like hydrated. Here's how they look. Here is my before. Let's chuck it on. Oh, it smells good. It smells like berries or something. Okay. Tastes weird. So immediately it looks very glossy and pretty. Here's how it looks. I don't know. Let's just rub it in. I'd say my lips definitely look more hydrated. They don't look big or anything. I wasn't expecting them to really. Yeah, they feel soft. I feel like my skin still feels real dry like right in here, but like they look softer, they feel softer, but not completely soft. I don't know, I probably wouldn't muck around with that very often. I feel like it was still pretty expensive for like what it is. Like, hello, just use a lip scrub or a lip balm or something. I don't know, what do you guys think? I am going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and then we are going to try a bunch of these other goodies. So yeah. Okay guys, next we're going to test this out. I've already got one layer of mascara on, but I want more mascaras, so we're going to try out this little tool right here. So you can find this by searching Mascara Guard on Wish. And I've seen these before, but I've never tried one before, and I'm really interested to see what happens. So you can get these for like $2 or for free. This one's free, you just have to pay for the shipping, which costs $4. Let's give it a try. Okay, we're going to use a kind of messy mascara, so aka something quite like moussey and thick and stuff. So I'm using my Balenciaga, it's one of my favorites. I often get this on my eyelids, but I just wait for it to dry and then flake it off. So we're going to try this instead. I feel like maybe for makeup artists this could be helpful to like, I don't know, you could get your client to hold it there and you could do it and then not mess up any of the eye makeup, I don't know. So there's 2 sides, well 3 sides. So there's this side where you can kind of put your eye in like that and then use it. There's also this one, which I guess you can use like under your eye. How does this work? Yeah, under your eye. And then there's also a comb on the other edge, so you can like comb your lashes out. So it's kind of cute. I'm gonna try this side. Oh god, it's kind of terrifying. Oh, it's awkward because the brush is just like, I'm just gonna use it as like a guard. I feel like it's messier than just doing it manually, because the actual brush doesn't like fit in the guard. Like it's just easier doing this, and then if you get some mascara on your eyelid you just, you know, flake it off once it's dry. I feel like this is like a torture device. I felt like it was gonna work real well, but it's just kind of awkward and sharp. Like I can feel it stabbing my outer corners. Okay, well that's a shame. You could use the comb for things, I guess. The comb works. I don't know, it's kind of just tacky and a waste of time, to be honest. What's new with Wish? I mean, you do find some gems on Wish, but geez, like half the things are just gimmicks and complete fails. I'll link below my previous Wish videos if you want to go check them out. A few of them have gone viral and there's actually some good things in there, especially in the kitchen one I did last time. There is this chopping machine which changed my life, so make sure you check out the down bar. Alright, I'm just gonna go finish off my makeup and then we've got a couple more things to try together. Okay guys, we've got our makeup on and now we've got a couple more things left. So we have some fake piercings, which I thought would be fun. Some of you guys sent me some similar screenshots of similar jewelry on Wish that you wanted me to try. So I picked up a couple of different things. Then after that we're gonna try on the Snap Smile and grillz. I'm excited. So if you search septum ring fake, a lot of them kind of pop up. Mine were free. You get 3 pieces per lot, and yeah, I chose one of these sets right here. The shipping cost $4, so $4 for 3, that's not such a bad deal. I used to actually have my septum pierced properly, and I freaking loved it, but yeah, anyway. We'll try this one first, and then we'll try out the little nose rings. So they feel like decent quality, like they're little just metal things. This one's pretty, it's got little rhinestones in it, which are really cute. Let's give it a try on. Oh, it tickles. I feel like it's real big. Like too big for my nose. Yeah, it tickles. Try on this one. Oh my god, it tickles so bad. I just feel like these are way too big for my septum, like they're touching my lip. I feel like they all look silly because they're all just way too big. I don't know, maybe some of the different sets are smaller, like these particular ones are just huge and they look real awkward on me. This one's probably the best one, but yeah, it's not that flattering personally, I don't think. So those are a bit of a fail. I mean, they're cheap, but they're just big. I guess you could like wear them somewhere else. I don't freaking know. And then the other ones came in this little tiny thing. I just searched the same thing except nose piercing, like fake nose piercing. And it came with like a bunch of them. So they just look like this, and honestly some days I miss my nose piercing, so that's why I got these. I never had a ring, I just had like a stud. But basically what they look like is little hoops, and there's like a flat side. I don't really know if the flat side's supposed to go in or out. I'm assuming inside. So like, let's just pop it in there. Oh, that's kind of cute. Do you guys know I used to have my nose pierced on both sides and I loved it. Oh, I dig that. It makes me want to get my nose pierced again. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. It's probably in the wrong place. Okay, I think that's cute. I don't know. If you're thinking about getting your nose pierced, like they're quite cool to play around with just to see if you think you're suited or not. I don't know. I like that. I like that a lot. Those were like $2. You can get ones like this for the septum too, which would probably be better because like they're not so like huge. Like look at that. That's such a better size on me. Yo. What's it? Moving along, now let's try on the gold tooth. Last time I did a video using false teeth. I got so much hate. The video went viral and I got so much hate. I'll link the video below if you want to go watch it. But honestly, they looked so silly on me. So I'm not trying to offend anyone. I am just trying stuff and letting you know how it works for myself, okay? So you can search gold teeth, you can search grills, like it comes up with a jillion different types of like grills and teeth and stuff. So I bought this little like gold tooth. It was $2 and the shipping was also $2, so $4 on this thing. Hip hop grills, that's literally what it says. It reminds me of that YouTube video of the woman like practicing or like teaching hip hop, and it's like real cringe.
Everything's down low. It all is in a plie. Hip hop is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, ah, and ah. In a hip hop head, we have this. Boom, bam, every time. Or Your hands are always ah, like this. This is what we call popping. Ah, straight.
That's about to be me, ladies and gentlemen. I don't really know how it works. It's got this like goo on the inside, I'm assuming, to like stick it to your teeth. Do you just push it in? Let's read the instructions. Warning! These are intended for entertainment purposes only. They should not be worn continuously. Not intended for eating, sleeping, or replacement of natural teeth or broken fillings. Do not eat. Okay, we need hot water and then you just kind of push it on. So similar to those last teeth I tried, I'm gonna go boil some water up so it's nice and hot, and then we'll push it on. I can't wait. Okay, so I've got a little like bowl of water here. It's hot water, it's not like completely boiling, it's like half boiled, whatever that means. I'm just gonna drop this in there and leave it for a few seconds. And it just doesn't really tell me how long to do it for, so I don't know. We'll wait like 10 seconds or something like that, and then it says to hold the tooth in place for like a minute so that it hardens like in the shape of your tooth. I'm like using a tweezer to try and pick it out, and oh god, what tooth are we choosing? This one? I feel like it's only gonna fit that one. Oh my god. Oh no. I should have done that tooth. It's like too big for that tooth in the end. Get on. I'm so scared I'm gonna like cut myself. I feel like the tooth is way too big for my teeth. It just looks really awkward. You could like argue that this works, but it still looks dumb. It like fits my front tooth. Look at all the makeup I got on it. I look like I'm just missing a tooth, and it also I can't. Let's try the next one, which is this one. It looks like vampire teeth, and in the picture it didn't look like vampire teeth, but oh well. It looks like something you'd buy at the $2 shop for Halloween. So we're gonna put in the goo somehow. Here we go. And I'm gonna dunk this in the hot water. This one was also $2 by the way, so you're getting a much better deal with this one. Get on. I feel like there's too much goo. Okay. How do I look? I feel like a fool. Why are they vampire-y? Like, I don't get that. And they're making me dribble real bad. I can't with these. Here you go. Here's the finished look. I'm literally about to start dribbling. Not a good look. The only time I would ever wear them is for Halloween. And even then I wouldn't wear them. The last thing, Snap-on Smile. So please don't hate me if I don't like them. Don't abuse me, thank you very much. So you can search Snap-on Smile. These were $4 shipping and they were free. And basically what these are little Snap-on Smiles to make your teeth instantly white. So they're kind of like marketed on Wish at least as like an instant teeth whiten. So I don't know if you're supposed to wet these or what. They look like this. I'm just going to try putting them on without like wetting them. Let me just make this a little bit darker. Oh yeah, you must wet them. I only got a top one. They didn't send me a bottom tooth. So I think this is the bit that you wet. Look at that. I don't know. I'm just going to guess and put it in the water for a few seconds because there's no instructions. We're ready. Oh, that didn't even soften it. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. I left that in there for like a solid 2 minutes. And they don't even cover a whole tooth. Do I have big teeth or something? It covers like 2/3 of my tooth and that's it. This is not cricket as Hamish would say. It makes me feel like my real teeth are real yellow because they're way lighter than my teeth. I feel like I got the biggest rip-off ones in history because they do not look like the picture. I've obviously used like pictures of like people's veneers. Look at that. Like expectation versus reality. So there you go, there's my Wish review this time. If there's any other gadgets you want to see me review, comment them below and I will buy them and test them on camera for you. I feel like my favorite thing actually ended up being the little nose rings. They're really cute. So thank you to whoever requested those, and yeah, I don't know, there's a lot of fails in this one, but hey, hopefully it entertained you for a few minutes, and if it did, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and notify, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check the down bar for some more of these videos as well. Bye!